Well, good evening, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to Astronomy Ireland's Astronomy Classes for Beginners. I'm David Moore, the chairman of the Society and its founder. In a moment, I'll introduce your tutor this evening, John Campbell. But first, I want to thank you all for supporting Astronomy Ireland by taking these classes over the next 8 Tuesdays. The first thing to note is that you are all now members of Astronomy Ireland. If you weren't a member, and you just paid for the classes, we automatically made you a member. You should have gotten your first magazine by now. If you haven't, give it a few days, contact the office if necessary after that. But hopefully you're all magazine reading members of Astronomy Ireland, which was founded in 1990 and is now the world's most popular astronomy society. So you're in good hands, we hope. We do many things to promote the hobby, one of which is the monthly magazine, Astronomy Ireland magazine, just in case you're an absolute newcomer. That's what it looks like. The November issue is just out now. That's the October issue. And if you didn't get the November issue, I'm going to give you an email address in a moment, just to follow that up tomorrow during office hours. And a lot of people just like to browse a magazine and read the bits that interest them. But some people want to know everything. And so they asked us to do a course to cover all aspects of astronomy, a huge area. And this is that course. So over the next 8 weeks, John will cover everything from the Big Bang to learning the constellations and even the search for life beyond the Earth. We've been running this course for about 2 decades now, and thousands of people have completed it. So this is by far the most popular astronomy classes in Ireland. The one thing we want you to do is, when the classes end, after the 8 weeks, keep up your membership of Astronomy Ireland, because the magazine will bring you the very latest new discoveries, which we can't even cover in the classes yet, because we don't know what they are. And we try to get everybody interested in astronomy and then keep them interested. So we hope this is just the start of your journey with us to explore the universe. So let me introduce your tutor. John Campbell has had a lifelong interest in astronomy since the age of 7. He's currently doing a PhD in quantum entanglement. We won't cover that in this class, but it's an area of physics like astrophysics as well. So he's well qualified to cover all the science, but also he's had a passion for this like the rest of us from childhood. So he has his own telescope. He's big into photography. He in particular has been doing drone astrophotography, and any of you that came to our barbecue about a year ago will have seen him doing demonstrations of that. He's also a bit of a YouTube star. He has 50,000 followers. I think that's about the same as Astronomy Ireland, maybe even more. So he's well used to dealing with the public and trying to explain difficult concepts in a simple language. So I'm going to hand over to him shortly now. But if you have any questions, John will probably try to keep them till the end or the break. And also, if there's anything to do with the administration, your membership, magazines, things like that, John doesn't handle any of that for us. You will need to contact the office to get that. The phone number is in your magazine. It's all over the website, astronomy.ie, admin@astronomy.ie, if you're good at memorizing email addresses. So I'll hand over now to John. Over to you, John. Take it away.